So this is the basement. This is soap and water, I'm assuming from what soap was underneath the sink when the pipe broke. All the way into this bedroom, which is the northeast corner of the basement. This is all standing water. Water all the way over here. So, water running down the ceiling all the way across this wall. All the way across this wall. This must be a low point for it. This is dropping water onto this. This is my daughter's bedroom. There's water still running out of here. This will be the wall that's the south facing wall right underneath the kitchen. The drywall's falling. This is the west wall. There's water running down through here.